That's us. Make it speakers band when it hits like what? Give you some jams with that West Side stuff. Everybody hands in the air.
Hey guys, Onesie Man here with Little A, special guest. And we're going to be doing a video today. We're going to be playing a little game I like to call One in the Chamber with a Shield. Alright, so basically, one person has the gun, one person, and they stand way over there behind his head, like right here in the hallway, and then the other person stands all the way higher than his head, all the way down at the end of the hallway, and one person tries to shoot the other person, and if you get hit, you lose. So, let's get on with round one. Dun, 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 round. Alright, round one, let's go. And he also only has one bullet. So if he messes up, I'm going to ruin his life forever. Oh, God. Pet destruction! Oh! Okay, on to round two. All right. Round two. My turn. I think I have some internal bleeding, but I think I can hold it off. All right. I'm going to get him. I'm going to sneak attack. All right, sneak attack. Ready? Right when he pops out. Dang it, I forgot to load it. Yes! Yeah! Woo! What are those? Alright, we'll see you in round three. Alright, I have head protection because, I don't want to get lights or anything. Round three! 3, 2, 1, go! Distraction! Well. What you gonna do? Boom! 1 to 2, and then 1 to 1, but you know what I mean. Let's go!